Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Amazon Chimes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in Amazon Chime, all you need to do is simply tap open your Amazon Chime account on your MacBook. So once you open your Amazon Chime account, you need to type in your email address and tap on the sign in/sign up option. After you do so, you need to now once again type in your email address or your mobile phone number and type in the password of your account. So after you are done typing in both the credentials, all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in button. Once you are done with this, your account will start to get launched and finally you will get logged in into your Amazon Chimes account. So once you're logged in, you need to permit your Amazon Chime account and you are all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.